Dear students, now let us look at the current issues in motor carriers. So when we are talking about the importance of the current issues in motor carriers, the most important issue would be regarding the fitness of the vehicle that is coming on the roads. So the fitness certificate or the fitness inspection of that vehicle is important in determining that that motor vehicle is actually good or sustainable for a long-term period. So what are the importance of the safety issues would be more important, and the rules for the motor carrier safety fitness inspections, as I'm telling you about the inspection certificates that is being issued by the government authorities, so that it will be deemed fit that the vehicle which is coming on the roads and carrying a lot of load would actually be fit for that load rating. Secondly, it would be the safety impact on profitability. Yes, safety can actually build up the image of that motor carrier industry or motor carrier firm. So it would be helpful in developing the image that yes, those XYZ motor carriers are actually, they have a safe vehicles. So that would be more, or your clients would be more inclined towards going to those companies. Then what would be the general key issues in the motor carrier industry? It would be the labor safety, of course, the labor which are actually involved in, let's say, loading and unloading, and those who are actually driving it, of course, the driver as well. The safety is important as well, and there is a high risk. Alcohol and drug abuse, obviously, drivers, it is the law in every country, or I would say it's the international law, that drivers, they cannot actually have alcohol or drug, and or they cannot drive well when they are using some drugs or alcohol. Drivers' hours of service and fatigue. Now that is very important. Important क्यों है? This is important in the developing countries, जहाँ पर इसका ख्याल नहीं रखा जाता. The point is कि drivers के service hours को या तो हम ब्रीच कर देते हैं या डिटर्मिन्ड ही नहीं है. तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इंडस्ट्री में जब मोटर कैरियर्स की बात की जाए तो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट वी आर स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलोइंग द ड्राइवर आवर्स एंड और देयर फटीग इज़ बीइंग टेकन इनटू अकाउंट व्हाइल ऑफरिंग देम सम राउटिंग. सो अगर वो उसके आवर्स अभी हैं भी बट ही लुक फटीग्ड, द थिंग वुड बी टू अलॉट हिम और टू एलोकेट हिम द शॉर्टर राउटिंग regardless of the fact कि वो जी he is better for that scenario. The thing is कि उसकी फटीग को सामने रखते हुए छोटे रूट पे भी भेजा जा सकता है. व्हीकल साइज एंड वेट, दैट इज़ आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि उसकी लोड रेटिंग क्या है उस व्हीकल की और वो कितनी स्पीड के साथ उस लोड, अपनी लोड को कैरी कर सकती है. ओके, देयर आर सम टेक्नोलॉजिकल इश्यूज और उनकी इंपॉर्टेंस भी है आपके पास. Technological issues will actually it will enhance management control. If you are using technology in actually determining or eradicating these issues, it will actually give management a better control. Enable timely communication. Of course, when you are using the technology to the benefit of the motor carriers, so that industry will actually flourish and the communication would be timely. Enhance environmental safety in movements. So environmental protection can be done in a better way. What is the level of emission of your motor vehicles? So each and everything would be systemized and synchronized with the information system or the technology which you are using. And the key technologies which are being implemented is actually the satellite technology and GPS systems. Satellite से भी connect किया जा सकता है. Where is your vehicle at that point of time? GPS system उसके अंदर मौजूद है. ट्रैक किया जा सकता है. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ऑन बोर्ड रिकॉर्डर्स, ये भी एक टेक्नोलॉजी है दैट विल एक्चुअली रिकॉर्ड ईच एंड एवरी aspect of the vehicle, and it would be helpful in determining that how better that organization, that motor carrier industry or motor carrier firm is actually performing. तो वहाँ पर जितना ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजिकल इश्यूज़ को एड्रेस किया जाएगा, the better would be the results and better would be the performance. Thank you.